Hi, last week's video, I was using the juice from a can of tomatoes that I only needed for that recipe because I used the tomatoes for the recipe I was creating for this week that turned out really, really good. Hey, what's clucking peeps? I'm Georgiana, and this chicken with me today is Hagatha, and welcome to Hairy Tail Farm. So let's get cooking today. This recipe turned out so good. I can't wait for you to see it and to try it. And for those of you who are here for a little more, like a little extra fun, which I call vitamin H, there will be more animal videos at the very end just for fun watching. Thanks, now let's get cooking. In last week's recipe, I mentioned where we had the juice that I needed from the can of Italian tomatoes, diced tomatoes. This is what I've got because I'm making it for today's recipe, which is this, what happens to be a low-carb veggie lasagna, no, chicken lasagna. It's a low-carb chicken lasagna. And I only needed the tomatoes from that can. So we're going to be using those tomatoes today. The other ingredient that makes this cool is the hearts of palm. And they've made these into lasagna sheets. And you'll see they're kind of small, but they're going to work out really good for layering. It's a great way to get more vegetables. Or for those of you who are doing low carb or need to do gluten-free. I do a variety of cooking for different types of healthy dishes because I kind of like to mix it up. I'm not just all one, but because some days I like to do lower carb. Some days I'm really trying to get in more vegetables and, not too many carbs. So that type of thing. So this is really good for that. We've got cream cheese, some chicken here that I was hacking into from a rotisserie chicken. We'll have some mozzarella cheese, provolone cheese, soy milk. You can use whatever milk you like. I use soy milk. Some chopped garlic, and spinach. So let's get started with the hearts of palm, and I'll show you how to process those first. Okay, while the hearts of palm are cooking on the stove, we're going to prep our chicken and spinach. And I'm going to use the same pan, keep dishes simple, for the sauce that we're going to make after the hearts of palm have cooked. And we want it high protein. Let's get a good amount of chicken in there. And it'll leave me a serving for lunch tomorrow. On this bird, I can pluck that off tomorrow.
Fluffy paws so warm. Chickens cluck all day. Rabbits hop and play. Ducks waddle in a line. Feathers shine so fine. Every morning bright. Animals with delight. Fairy tale farm where love's the charm. Fluffy friends around and happiness.
If you're supposed to be taking video of you, cat.
Sunrise brings a start. Chirping little hearts. Bunny ears so tall. Happy little thoughts. Ducklings in a row. Wobbling just so slow. Chickens in the coop. We're a joyful troop. Memories we weave. In kindness we believe. Every moment's true. With this fluffy crew. Fairy tale farm where love's the charm. Fluffy friends around and happiness we're bound. Fairy tale farm where love's the charm. Fluffy friends around and happiness we're bound. Ducks waddle in a line. Feathers shine so fine. Every morning bright. Animals with delight. Fairy tale farm where love's the charm. Fluffy friends around and happiness we're bound. Fairy tale farm where love's the charm. Fluffy friends around and happiness we're bound. Sunrise brings a start. Chirping little hearts. Bunny ears so tall. Happy little fur ball. Ducklings in a row. Wobbling just so slow. Chickens in the coop.